In this we are going to discuss class 7 first chapter integers. See, first we know we start counting numbers from 1, 2, 3 and so on. This set of counting numbers is called natural numbers and this is denoted with capital N. And if we add 0 to these counting numbers, then this it will become like this, and including 0, the set of natural numbers are called whole numbers, and this is denoted with capital W. Okay, all counting numbers are called natural numbers. All natural numbers including with 0 are called whole numbers. Now if we add negative numbers to these whole numbers like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. See, if we add negative numbers to whole numbers, then this set of numbers are called integers, and integers are generally represented with capital I. See, negative numbers including with whole numbers. See, how can we write integers? All whole numbers. See, and now we will see, let's take a line and we mark some points which are equal distance from each other. See, we have marked a line and we have taken some points on the line which are equal distance from each other. Now we have to start from negative numbers to positive numbers. Let's start from -3. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See, here in the representation of integers on number line, we have started from negative numbers in between 0. After 0, we have moved to positive numbers. See, here every right number is the greater one. See, here -3 and -2. -2 is right side of -3. So, -2 is greater than -3. Since because we have -2 on the right side of -3, and if we take -1 to -3, -1 is also right side of -3. So -3 is less than -1. Now we compare -1 with -2. See, -1 is, it is also right side of -2. So -2 is also less than -1. Now 0 is greater than 1 because 0 is the right side of -1. So 0 is greater than -1. By this we can conclude that every right number on a number line is the greatest one. See, here we have done and we have discussed how to represent the integers on the number line, and we have discussed which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now let's discuss addition of integers. Now let's start the exercise. In the exercise 1, first problem, some integers are marked on the number line, which is the biggest and which is the smallest. Here he gave a number line and he have marked two numbers, which is -3 and 2, and here we have to find out which number is the biggest one and which number is the smallest one. As we already discussed, the number which is on the right side is the greater one. See, here 2 is on the right of -3, so 2 is the greatest and -3 is the smallest, because -3 is on the left side and 2 is on the right side. Now in the second problem, write the integers between the pair of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. Here he gave pair of integers and we want to write the numbers in between these two integers, and we have to find out which is the greatest and which is the smallest. First, let's write the numbers in between minus 10 and minus 5. See, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. The integers between minus 10 and minus 5. So, minus 10, minus 5. The numbers in between minus 10 and minus 5 are 9, 8, 7, 6. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7 and minus 6. See, if we represent this on a number line, we'll start from minus 10, minus 9, minus 8 and so on. See, here, so 6 lies last right of the each number. So, minus 6 is the biggest and minus 9 is the left side of remaining integers. So, minus 9 is the smallest. Now, let's go to 3 and minus 2. Let's start writing from minus 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. The numbers in between minus 2 and 3 are minus 1, 0, 1, 2. See, here 2 is the greatest one. So, 2 is greatest and minus 1 is the smallest. Now, minus 8 to 5. Let's write from minus 8. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, minus 8 and 5. The numbers between minus 8 and 5 are minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, plus 4 is the greatest one. So, 4 is greatest. And here, minus 7 is the smallest because minus 7 lies on the left side of remaining all integers. So, minus 7 is smallest. You can note it down if you want. Third problem, write the following integers in ascending order, which is smallest to biggest. See, here we have to write these numbers in an order that we have to write the first smallest first, second smallest second, third smallest third, fourth smallest fourth. Like that we have to place the numbers in the order. See, here, as we already know, the greatest number in the negative sign is the smallest one. See, here we have minus 5 and minus 8. See, minus 5 lies right to minus 8. So, minus 8 is smallest. So, minus 8. Next, minus 5. Next one is the smallest. Next 2. This is the ascending order of these numbers. Now, here we take. The greatest negative number is the smallest one. Here, 4, 3, 5. We have 5 as the greatest in negative sign. So, this is the smallest. Minus 5. Next, 3, 4. 4 as the greatest with negative sign. So, this is the second smallest. Minus 4, minus 3 and 2. Now, third one, minus 10, minus 15, minus 7. See, here, 10, 15, 7. 15 is the greatest with negative sign. So, this is the first smallest. Minus 15. Next, minus 10. Next, minus 7. You can note it down. Now, we move to the fourth problem. Write the following integers in descending order, which is biggest to smallest. Here, he gave some integers and we have to write in such order that first we have to write the biggest, second biggest, third biggest and so on. See, we move to the first one, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. See here, minus 5 is the smallest because it lies left to the other numbers on the number line. So, minus 3 is also second smallest. So, minus 2 is the greatest one. Minus 2 and here second biggest is minus 3. Minus 3 comma minus 5. Let's come to here. Here minus 8, minus 2, minus 1. The greatest number 8 with negative sign is the smallest one. So, minus 2, minus 1. So, 2 is the biggest with negative sign. So, this is the smallest than minus 1. So, the greatest is minus 1, minus 2, minus 8. Here, 5, 8, 2. Here, 5 is greater one. 5. 5 is the second greatest. 5. Next, minus 2. In this fifth problem, represent 6, minus 4, 0 and 4 on the number line. First, let's draw a number line. Now, we point some points on the line with equal distances. Now, let's start writing from negative to positive. See, this is the number line of integers. Here, he asked us to plot or represent the 6, minus 4, 0 and 4 on the number line. First, 6. Where we have 6? Here. 6. Next, minus 4. Where we have minus 4? Here. Minus 4. Next, 0. 0. Next, 4. Here is the 4. See, we have represented minus 4, 0, 4, 6 on the number line. Now, sixth problem. Fill the missing integers on the number line given below. Here, he gave a number line and he gave some integers on the number line and he left us with some blanks. We have to fill these blanks in the number line. See, minus 9. After minus 9, we get minus 8. Next, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the missing integers on the number line. Now, let's move to the last problem of exercise 1. The temperatures in degrees Celsius or centigrade of 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on the number line below. See, here he gave a number line and he gave 5 cities: Kasauli, Manali, Nainital, Ooty and Bangalore. And he also gave the respective temperatures of these cities on a particular day. And here he asked some questions and we have to find out the answers. See, write the temperatures of the cities marked on it. See, first we write city and temperature. This is the solution for the first problem. First we will take Kasauli. Temperature is, here we have minus 10. Next, minus 9 degrees Celsius. So, minus 9 degrees Celsius. Next, Manali. Here, Manali, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7. Here, minus 7 degrees Celsius. So, Manali temperature is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Next, Nainital. Here, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature of Nainital is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Next, Ooty. Ooty temperature, he directly gave it as 15 degrees Celsius. 15 degrees Celsius. Next, Bangalore is 20 degrees Celsius. Now, this is the answer for the first. Write the temperatures of cities marked on it. These are the cities and their temperatures. You can note it out. Which city has the highest temperature? See, here there are 5 cities and their temperatures. He asked for the city which has highest temperature. As we know, the right side is the highest number. So, here Bangalore is on the right side of remaining cities with temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. So, the answer is Bangalore with temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Next, which city has the lowest temperature? See, the last left of the remaining cities is the lowest. So, here Kasauli is the lowest temperature city, which is minus 9 degrees Celsius. The answer is Kasauli with temperature minus 9 degrees Celsius. Now, which cities have temperature less than 0 degrees Celsius? See, here we have 0 degrees Celsius. Now, less than means the cities which are on left side of 0 degrees Celsius. They are Kasauli, Manali and Nainital. Here the answer for the fourth one. Now last, name the cities with temperature more than 0 degrees Celsius. Here we have 0 degrees Celsius. No, more than 0 degrees Celsius is which are on the right side of 0 degrees Celsius. They are Ooty and Bangalore. So Ooty and Bangalore. With this problem, we have completed our exercise 1.